Seasonal greetings, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we'll be making some chocolate rum truffles. So, let's jump right on into it.
Grab 1 pack of wine biscuits and crush them in a blender or in a plastic bag with a rolling pin. Now transfer to a bowl and add 200 grams of softened butter. In a sieve, add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 cups of icing sugar and sift it into the bowl. Don't forget, you can use your fingers or a spoon to get rid of the clumps. Add 1 cup desiccated or shredded coconut and, if you choose, 1 to 2 tablespoons of rum to give it that little kick. With a spatula or similar, thoroughly combine all the ingredients. If you're like me, use your hands to combine it all together. Now grab small clumps of mixture and make balls to the size you like. Then, roll them in desiccated or shredded coconut. Having made all the truffles, put them in the fridge or freezer until ready to eat. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make chocolate truffles with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment about what you think of the chocolate truffles. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.